Hi there, this is Dr. Talig. Welcome to our vlog 109. We're just gonna review a bit of a few more questions anchored on our review 108. Remember, I just love to give you some review questions, and these questions might be important because some of these questions might be given in some of your assessments. So, still, it is anchored on the lesson focused on um, literary elements, structure, and tradition. Okay, literary elements, structure, and tradition. Okay, the same thing. If you still remember lifts, okay, as the lifts method, for you not to forget the most important highlights of the lesson literary elements, structure, and tradition, then you are ready for this assessment. So there we go. Let's begin with item 1. Which character in Lirio, remember the Lirio we discussed in vlog 108, which character in Lirio functions as the antagonist based on actions and behavior? Let's see. Which character in Lirio functions as the antagonist based on actions and behavior? Who's the antagonist? Remember, the antagonist is the person whom we actually admire in the story. No, when we say, oh, no, it's the opposite. When we say antagonist, that is the person whom actually go against the protagonist or the person we actually hate. Okay, so in item number 1, which character in Lirio functions as the antagonist based on actions and behavior? Options are Lirio, Yasmin, Sergeant Vicente Etek Lugay, or Tatay Manuel. Is it Lirio, Yasmin, Sergeant Vicente Etek Lugay, or Tatay Manuel? If your answer is Lirio, then you are correct. Item number 2. Which event best represents the climax of the story Lirio? Which event best represents the climax of the story Lirio? A. Lirio's birth witnessed by butterflies. B. Lirio marrying Itik Lugay. C. Lirio uttering her prayer and transforming. D. Noli leaving for Japan. A. Lirio's birth witnessed by butterflies. B. Lirio marrying Itik Lugay. C. Lirio uttering her prayer and transforming. D. Noli leaving for Japan. The answer is letter. If your answer is letter C, then you are correct. Okay, which event best represents the climax of the story? Lirio, the climax is Lirio uttering her prayer and transforming. Okay, from bad to good. Item number 3. The point of view used in Lirio is best described as A. First person, B. Second person, C. Third person omniscient, D. Third person limited. When we say omniscient, meaning all knowing. Okay? Meaning all knowing. When we say third person omniscient, meaning to say though a third person, but everything can be viewed in the eye of the character. Third person. Okay? So A, first person, B, second person, C, third person, omniscient, D, third person. The answer is third person limited. Limited because not everything can be viewed in the eye of the character. Item number 4. The primary conflict in Lirio is, do you remember the primary conflict? Number 4, the primary conflict. Is it man versus nature, man versus society, man versus man, man versus fate? If your answer is letter C, man versus man, then you are correct. We are just recalling, guys. Item 5. Which statement best expresses the theme of Lirio? Which statement best expresses the theme of Lirio? Okay. Options are silence is a weakness, love requires possession, C, abuse destroys identity, D, beauty brings suffering. The answer is letter, okay, letter C, abuse destroys identity. Which statement best expresses the theme of Lirio? The theme states that abuse destroys identity. Item 6. Barrio Hardin as a setting mainly helps establish the story's, is it plot, sequence, A, plot sequence, B, cultural and social context, C, point of view, D, genre classification. If your answer is cultural and social context, you are correct. Barrio Jardín as a setting mainly helps establish the story's cultural and social context. Item 7. The legend on the origin of Earth and Man belongs to which literary tradition? Is it A, modern digital literature? Is it written tradition? Is it oral tradition? Is it popular literature? Okay, the legend on the origin of Earth and Man belongs to which literary tradition? A, modern digital literature, B, written tradition, C, oral tradition, D, popular literature. The answer is letter C, oral tradition. Item 8. Which element of plot explains the transformation of Bulan's arm into the earth? So we are still in the same masterpiece. Which element of plot explains the transformation of Bulan's arm into the earth? Is it A, exposition, B, rising action, C, falling action, D, resolution? What's your answer? So which element of plot explains the transformation of Bulan's arm into the earth? The answer is, it is in the resolution phase. So that's letter D. Okay, that's letter D. Remember that learning literary elements indeed is very much important, not not for the sake of memorization or summarizing or identifying, but the most important is that at least we're able to analyze deeper meanings out of these masterpieces. I hope we're able to augment our understanding on this key topic, which is focused on literary element structure, and tradition. I hope you learned something, and I hope you retain a bit more in our review 109. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, heart, and subscribe. So, see you in the next vlog. Okay, so this is 109. See you 110. Okay, 110. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.